Hello, my name is Jose Manuel Poxan Sanchez, and this time I will tell you about the Wankel engine and its operation. The Wankel engine is a type of internal combustion engine that uses rotors instead of the traditional pistons. In a Wankel engine, the four characteristic stages of the internal combustion engine are developed is the admission, compression, explosion, and escape. In admission, will the exhaust of previous cycle gas occurs through the lead. The admission of the new mixture be the la bearings. The chamber increases in volume as the rotors draining the shaft and bearings to introduce the mixture. As the la is open in compression, the la is closing and the chamber starts to decrease its volume. At the point compression of the mixture occurs, when the chamber has reduced its minimum volume and the compression of the mixture is maximum, the spark jumps and the ignition of the mixture occurs. Explosion due to the pressure of the gas produced by combustion. The rotor pushed to rotate sharply and communicates this moment to the engine shaft through the sprocket gear. The ignition of the mixture occurs. In this case, the outer mixture of the rotor discovers the lead exhaust like B which gains and expelled to the outside pushed by the moment of the rotors. The complement is the cycle.
Hello, my name is Joan de los Santos Diaz. I tell you about the Wankel engine. As the first topic we have is, why did it become popular engine Wankel? The Wankel engine became popular for its smooth and quick operation, also thanks to its structure. Its moving is no alternative like that of piston engines. The moving is circular. Sometimes they made it popular was that it didn't have as many parts as a piston engine does. Some of the parts it don't have are, for example, crankshaft, connecting rod, and pistons. This makes it smaller and reduces the space in Mazda cars. Okay, the second topic is, why did it stop when popular engine Wankel? It stopped when popular because the cost of maintenance is very expensive and the consumption of oil and fuel is higher than that of a piston engine. But the most important reason why Wankel engine stopped when popular was because of the anti-pollution regulation signs. The Wankel engine is practical a two-stroke engine. This makes it very pollution sign. It does not completely burn the mixture, therefore its emissions are very pollution and this led to it when discontinued. Okay, thanks for watching.
Greetings, I am Joaquin Hernandez Oliver, a student of the automotive engineer. I'm going to talk about what Mazda is doing now with the rotary motor and explain that the reason. Mazda announced the return. Mazda CEO has also anticipated that the rotary engine will hit the market in the first half of 2022. It's not known which model in question will benefit from this technology. In addition to the aforementioned NX30, but the entity smaller car could make a hole in its engine compartment. However, it should be remembered that the main application will be to serve as a range extender in hybrid or electric trains. So its presence in a high performance sport car seems to be rolled out, but the maybe in the 2021 will we will show more about the this car and what is the content from the model specification character and the design. In 2022 will see the we will see the car and we will see the car in the agency automotive and and maybe will buy the car. Uh, why a rotary engine in this time? A Walker, in, a Walker engine is a much more compact, lighter, and simpler proper since it has few components and on paper is reliable. Out of practice, the last aspect has gone the other way. To this is also that but is a concept in which all movements are rotary and there is no reciprocating movement. It has a great smooth operation. In this way, having a smaller size facilitates is the installation in the car that already has to the house an electric motor and a battery considered weight. A fundamental factor we take into account the weight of this battery. Finally, in electric vehicle in which there are hardly a noise or vibration, the walking is the most convenient softness. Um, in the future, Mazda will change the point of view the hybrid car in the industry and will show a more ecological car and with other aspects. Thanks for watching.
Hi, my name is Eduardo Centeno, and I'm going to say the conclusion about my thing about the new rotary engine about Mazda and the new technology. Okay, in conclusion, the new Mazda MX-30 EV will have a rotary engine, but only as a generator in batch project, including the EV technology. This what has around 25.5 kilowatts battery. The biggest thing that is exciting of this rotary range extender that's gonna be a rotary extender range around the 24 miles to have this engine. Of course, this will be compact but also it will very efficient. From my point of view, they have an MX instead of the CX to be more like the MX family of Miata, or of, with this information we know that the platform is going to have basically the same size chassis of CX, but with a different design inside and outside. We know that Mazda now is jumping into that segment about crossovers and SUVs. Now, that is a very popular segment. Almost all the companies now have a crossover or SUV, like Volkswagen, Nissan, Toyota, including sport companies like Ferrari, Lamborghini, BMW, Porsche, etc. Now they are trying to get more money for the development of new cars, of new technology. I think the new rotary engine is a good idea. Maybe not as a bigger engine with a lot horsepower. Now with the popularization of the electric cars, the new engine can be able from extended range instead of the main engine in the car. This might make the car attractive for the people. Finally, I think maybe in the future we might see the same technology in the Mazda 2 or Mazda 3. You know, in the lowest price segment. I know this engine is amazing in the moment to create horsepower, but at the same time it is easy to be break. This model can be delivered a good efficient fuel with a low CO2 emissions, delivering exceptional performance into exceptional drivers. And thanks to watch the video. See you later, and bye bye.